How do you like your turkey? Roasted, smoked, or even made in a bag? Here are 3 easy ways to make your turkey this Thanksgiving. Watch this. Would you believe me if I told you this fall off the bone turkey was made in a bag? Watch this. First, we need to chop up our veggies: carrots, celery, and onion. Then it's time for that turkey. In a small bowl, melt 1 stick of butter. Then we gotta add that flavor. I'm using that Dirty Bird rub, 13 herbs and spices all in 1 bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Give that a mix, and then go ahead and slather it down all over your turkey. Don't be shy, y'all. Get up under that skin, get up on them legs, them wings. Every piece you're gonna eat, go ahead and give it a touch. Stuff your bird with some aromatics like thyme, rosemary, lemon, and garlic. Tie up them legs, then set that turkey to the side. Now it's time to get that bag. Now don't use none of those bags you got underneath your sink. You're gonna need an oven-safe bag for this one. Place your bag in a roasting pan, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give that a shake. That's gonna create a delicious gravy at the end. Add your veggies, and then place your turkey inside that bag. Make sure you secure that bag, y'all. Twist up that top, tie it tight, and then cut 6 small slits around the bag. Bake this at 350 for 3 to 4 hours or 15 minutes per pound. Once your turkey's done, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Tear open that bag and then get ready for the goodness. Juicy, tender, fall off the bone turkey, y'all. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio or go to UncleDibbz.com. Now let Coach Prime say, cut the bull junk and give me one of them legs.
That's good, Shorty.
Follow these steps for the juiciest, most tender Thanksgiving turkey you ever made in your life. Grab your thawed 12 to 18 pound turkey. Then we're gonna make the brine. Grab a food safe container, add a gallon of water. Then add 1 bag of my top of the line brine. This is 8 delicious herbs and spices that you need to make the juiciest, most flavorful turkey this Thanksgiving. You can get the brine from UncleDibbz.com. Now place your turkey directly in that brine mixture. Make sure your turkey is fully submerged so that it soaks up all that flavor. Top it off with some ice and then throw that thing in the fridge for at least 12 to 24 hours or 1 hour per pound. Now on the big day, let's prep our veggies. I'm using some carrots, celery, and some onion. These veggies are gonna serve as the base for our delicious gravy. Go ahead and set those in a bowl to the side. Once that turkey is done brining, rinse off all that brine solution and pat it dry. Grab that turkey by the legs and transfer it to a roasting rack. Add some olive oil all on the back side of that turkey, and then for flavor, I'm coming with that Dirty Bird rub. 13 herbs and spices to guarantee you make the most delicious Thanksgiving turkey. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Here's a little tip from your Unc. Season the top side last, because that's the presentation side, AKA the money side. That's the side everyone's gonna see when they pull out their phones and take pictures of this delicious Thanksgiving turkey that you made. Now let's lay the foundation down for this bird. Grab a roasting rack, go ahead and put your veggies in there with a little bit of olive oil. I don't know why I'm putting them in there a handful at a time. Just dump them things in there, y'all. Add a couple garlic heads, and then grab that turkey and lay it right down on top of all those veggies. Make sure you tuck your wings underneath the bird, then stuff that cavity with some lemon, and I like to put a little apple in there too as well. Grab some butcher twine and then tie up them legs. Listen, our turkey's got class. It keeps its legs closed. Add 2 cups of chicken stock to the bottom of the pan, and then 1 can of beer, but make sure you just leave a little bit for yourself. Roast your turkey in the oven at 325, and then 1 more additional hour at 375. Once your turkey is done, let it rest for at least 1.5 hours. I know it sounds like a long time, but you want all those juices to stay in the turkey and not end up on your cutting board. While it's resting, cover it with some foil, and then this is a great time to go ahead and make your gravy. And there it is, y'all. That's the blueprint for delicious Thanksgiving turkey. Let Unc know in the comments which piece you're grabbing first. Is it the wing? Is it the leg? Let me know. If you need this full recipe, go to my site, UncleDibbz.com. The link is in my bio.
That's good, Shorty.
When I say I want my turkey crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, this is what I'm talking about, shawty. Save this recipe for your Thanksgiving turkey. Now, you don't need to fry a turkey or give it BBL shots to give it flavor. All you need is this right here, some natural herbs and spices, aka that top of the line brine. Get 8 quarts of water, mix the whole bag with that water, and then submerge your turkey right in that brine mixture. Top it with some ice, put it in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. Let that thing soak. You can get the brine from UncleDibbz.com. Now it's time to season that turkey with that dirty bird rub, but do it in this order. Inside first, backside next, and then save that top side for last for that seasoning. This is because it's that presentation side. You don't want it to be ugly when you present it on the table. Stuff it with some onion and some lemon, tie up them legs, and then let's get it ready for the smoker. I'm smoking this bird low and slow at 225 for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we're gonna bump that thing up to 325. I'm gonna put some of my garlic herb butter in there to melt, and then I'm gonna baste that turkey every 15 minutes so it's nice and juicy on the outside. Once that breast gets to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and pull your turkey and let it rest for 30 minutes to an hour. Let me know in the comments if you want one of these turkeys for your Thanksgiving. I might have a surprise for you. Full recipes at UncleDibbz.com.
That's good, salty.